Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change your Steam region to Argentina. Why Argentina? Well, it's because all the game prices in Argentina is way cheaper than the other regions. Argentina region has the cheapest game price on Steam. As you can see, Rainbow Six is $15 in the base region and only $10 in Argentina. For PUBG, you can see it's $30 in the base and only $10 in Argentina. And then GTA 5 Premium Edition is $20 in the base region and only $5 in Argentina. This goes for all the games, so you can see how much money you're gonna save if you just switch to Argentina region first and then buy all these games. So before, you could change Argentina region with VPN for free, but now with the new Steam policy, you need a credit card from that specific country you want to change your region to. Now we can't really get an Argentina credit card, and that's where this video comes to help. I'll link a Discord server in the description down below that you can join. They do region changes for a little bit of money, as this process is a little bit complicated as well. Once you're in the server, read all the information and rules given in this channel, and then you can head over to vouchers to see proof of all the people that have changed their region through us. These guys have been doing this service for months. I've worked with them before, and they're very trustworthy and they do have professionalism in their work. As you can see, they have done hundreds of region changes and has a very good reputation. So you don't have to worry about being scammed or anything. You can even ask the people that have changed regions yourself if you want to be confirmed again. I've changed mine as well. So once you've read everything and you want to change your region to Argentina, you need to DM the admins over here, any of these guys with the region changer role, and they will guide you through the process. They can change your region in a couple of minutes. You can pay via PayPal, gift cards, or cryptos. Although if you pay via cryptos, you can get a little bit of discount. There are things that you need to remember. Once you change your region, you can only refill your Steam with wallet codes. If you buy something with your personal credit card, your region will change back to your base one. So be careful with that. Also, with the new Steam rules, you're only allowed to change your region once in 3 months. So if you have changed your region in the last 3 months, you cannot do it before 3 months have passed. It's unfortunate that this isn't free, but there are a lot of sales incoming, including the Halloween sale, the Black Friday sale, and the winter sale on Steam soon. So you might want to change your region to Argentina and save your sweet money. Just think about the money you're gonna save. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.